Got Baden here doing a bit of a service. We don't do a lot of servicing on cars here because we mainly do all our specialty work, tuning, pumps, injectors and stuff. But he's been dropping oils out of this machine here. Let's ask him what does he find when he does services. How are you going, Baden? What do you find when you, I guess, what's the biggest problem you see with servicing?
Oh, look, probably oil changes is our big one. So, as I always say with the diesel, when you get it on your finger and it starts staining your skin, you know it's really dirty oil. When you clean it on your skin and it wipes off, it's pretty clean oil. Like everything though, all the drive lines in this haven't been done before, or they haven't been done for a very long time. We actually see a lot of these cars come in with a service history stamped by the book every 10, but driveline oils have probably never been done in its life. So we're just giving them a good flush out today, and then because they're so dirty, you probably have to do it again in another 10,000 Ks just to get it all cleaned out and fresh again.
Yeah, it's something I hear you guys cursing about out here all the time. Younger vehicles, this is an older one, younger ones with 40 and 60,000, probably should have had the different gearbox oils done already, and they're pitch bloody black.
Yeah, well that's it. I've got the new D-Maxes everyone's aware of, and I do that every 20 to 30,000 Ks and it still comes out fairly dirty. So imagine going 40, 60,000 Ks, double the time frame of what I do, it would be pitch black.
So, key to it is regular oil changes. Thanks, Baden, for that.
Thank you.
Have a good day. You can see more of these videos. Keep watching our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, or look us up at berrimadiesel.com where you can find out more about looking after your diesel.